exactly who you are. You probably like listening to music, right? Or maybe you like to cook, or to dance, or to paint. Maybe you like to watch YouTube videos. Maybe you like to learn English. But why do we say, I like to learn English and not, I like learning English? Why do we say, I like to swim and not, I like swimming? Hold on, we'll get there. I'll explain that in just a moment. Everybody has a hobby. Even if you think you don't, trust me, you do. Hobbies are things that you like to do in your free time. So, if you like to learn English, that's your hobby. If you like to watch movies, that's your hobby. If you like to play games, that's your hobby. If you like to garden, that's your hobby. So, if you like to learn English as your hobby, then please like and subscribe to Whisper English ASMR. It really motivates me to create more videos because I like to make these videos for you so that you can learn English in a fun and relaxing way. So let's answer that first question. Why do we say I like to swim instead of I like swimming? Well, actually they are both correct, and you can use them both to say that you like to do something or you like doing something as your hobby. So it's not a trick question, you can use both, but today we will look at like plus infinitive. Infinitive is like base verb, just the simple verb, run, eat, play, dance, learn English, play music, listen to music. It's just the base form. So like, to, infinitive verb, base form verb. So the question I asked before, why do we say I like to swim instead of I like swimming? Which one is correct? Well, it's not a trick question because they are both correct. You can say I like to draw, or you can say I like drawing, and they both mean the same thing. But today we will look at I like to verb. I like to infinitive or base form. That's just the simple present version of an action. So, when you think about your hobby, you should think about what do you like to do when no one is watching? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do when you are by yourself? So, actually, I'll be honest, I used to not like this question, what are your hobbies? Because sometimes I used to think, oh, these days I'm very busy. These days I don't have time for hobbies. These days I am busy working. These days I am busy being an adult. But actually, when I have free time, I like to do things. In my free time, I like to make videos. In my free time, I like to listen to music. In my free time, I like to watch YouTube videos too. In my free time, I like to see my friends. I like to explore new places. I like to eat. I love to spend time with good people. So actually, I have a lot of different hobbies. Sometimes I even like to go to the gym. Sometimes. So it's almost like we don't choose our hobbies. Our hobbies choose us. Things that we enjoy doing. Things that we like to do. These are our hobbies. So, what do you like to do? You can put your hobby in the comments below. You can say, I like to verb. I like to verb, because hobbies that you like to do can really say something about you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos from Whisper English ASMR. Thank you.